Welcome to the Modify Fields node video. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily and quickly modify fields metadata by including, excluding, renaming, and changing the data types of input fields. Firstly, let's have a look at the data set I am working with. There are 11 columns, all assigned a string data type, but when we look through the data, we can see that the RAND field should be a number data type, IOU should be a double, overdue a boolean, due date a date, due time a time, and the create field a date time data type. Now I'm going to search for the modify fields node, bring it onto the canvas, and connect it to the dataset. Under the output fields section, you can search for fields that have been selected to be output. This is very useful if you have a dataset with many fields. Instead of manually looking through your list, you can start typing a value and the list of output fields will filter down the results to match. You can see that I've typed the word due and it's given me a list of fields that match this word. Under patterns and fields, you'll find a list of input fields. By default, they are all ticked, which means that all fields will be output from this node. If you would like to exclude them from the output pin, you can untick the box. Let's say we don't want to output the field color, we'll just untick it. If you would like to include or exclude all fields with one selection, you can make your selection by clicking the green plus icon at the top. To rename a single field, type the new field name in the new name section. If the rename field results in a conflict because two fields would have an identical field name, the conflict is highlighted in the table, as we can see here where I tried to rename the ID field to name. You can rename all the output fields by using rename by pattern. Let's say I want to add the word product and an underscore before all of the field names. I will type in product underscore with a star. The star character is the wildcard sign in Data3Sixty Analyze, and the current field name will be inserted here. To change a data type for an output field, choose a field type from the drop-down list. Fields that have a modified type are highlighted, as we can see with the RAND field. The other method to convert the data types for output fields is to use the automatic fields type conversion. If an input field has a type that is either string or Unicode, you can use the auto type option to change the output field type based on the content of the input field. To use this, select the auto tick box. Please note, if you choose a field type that is not compatible with the data in the field, the node will error after it has been run. When we view the process metadata and records, we can see the field names have been renamed and the data types have been converted. To undo any changes to a field and revert to the properties of the input field, click the undo icon in the corresponding row of the table for the field. For more information on the Modify Fields node, click on the Modify Fields hyperlink in the Node Properties panel to take you directly to the help page of the node.